Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to start rapping. Rapping is an art that combines rhythm, wordplay and self-expression. For beginners, mastering the basics and practicing consistently is key. Here are some valuable tips to get you started. Firstly, listen to iconic rappers. Start by studying the legends. Listen to rappers who challenged social norms, told stories, and mastered flow. From old-school pioneers to modern artists like Kendrick Lamar, pay attention to their style, rhyme patterns, and delivery. Secondly, learn rhymes and rhyme schemes. Rapping is built on one rhymes. Understand how cards can be split, combined or played with the create rhyming. Experiment with multi-syllable rhymes and internal rhymes to make your lyrics more dynamic. Also, study tutorials, online resources, and books by famous rappers, but always make your lyrics original. Authenticity is key to developing your own style. Bars are the building blocks of rap. Beginners often start with 12 to 16 bar verses. Track the rhyme and tone of each line to maintain flow and consistency. Practice rapping your lyrics aloud while writing. This helps internalize flow, spot awkward phrasing, and prepares you for live performance. Also, of course, recording yourself helps you hear your voice objectively and assesses your style. It's an essential step in improving flow, clarity, and delivery. And finally, freestyling hones creativity and quick thinking. Start small, then gradually increase your comfort level with improvising lyrics on the spot. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.